transformation formula, change of axis. Now what this means, instead of the original axis, if the parabola is on other axis and it is exactly on the parallels, okay, parallel to x axis, parallel to y axis, then what type of formula we are going to use, that we are discussing right now. Now look here, OX is the original axis, OY is the original axis, x axis and y axis. O dash and x dash is equal to x axis and parallel to x axis, okay. This is parallel to x axis, not equal to, parallel to x axis. Similarly, O dash y dash is parallel to y axis, original y axis, okay. So now a point P, when it lies on in a quadrant, then when originally we are dealing with the original axis, it is P small x and small y, and when it is for the new axis, that we have taken as capital X and capital Y. Now let's move it. Now we will be writing O dash, just check it, here we have written O dash, okay. Now what O dash is? O dash be the new origin, O dash be the new origin with h comma k its coordinates. Now what this means? This means O, always we are knowing that origin we are taking 0 0. Now here when it is a O dash be the new origin with coordinates h comma k. So O dash be the new origin with h comma k. Now let p x comma y be a point on original coordinate axis OX and OY. Original axis OX and OY and Px comma y, same point I have just mentioned Pxy, and on below I have written xy. This is also P, point P with x comma y with capitals. So and P x comma y with the capital letters be a point referred to new coordinate axis. Say O dash x dash and O dash y dash, okay. Very simple thing. We have just discussed that point P small x small y is with the original coordinate axis and P capital X and capital Y with the new coordinate axis. Now let O dash L and PM, let O dash L and PM be perpendicular from O dash and P respectively to OX. Here OX is the original one, to OX. Now let PM, now this PM is intersecting the new axis at M dash. Now let PM meets new axis O dash X dash at M dash, okay. Now what we are having? Now we are having small x is equal to, we have put a point here x, so it means from O to M we are having small x, and from O to this point in parallel of this, that was a y, okay. So now here we are having what? X is equal to, so x is OM, OM further can be written as OL plus LM, and this is can be written as H plus X. Lm is capital X. Now from here what we are getting, it was x is equal to h plus x and capital X is equal to, sorry, capital X is equal to x minus h. Similarly, small y is equal to, we are having MP from this point to this point. Okay, this is MP. Now to MP, what we can write it? M dash plus M dash P. Now M dash is what? K plus y. We are having, okay, K plus y. Now this can be written as y is equal to K plus y and capital Y is equal to y minus k. Okay, so this is basically what? Transformation. Okay, transformation of the axis. Now transformation, what it is? Now number one, transformation is point P x comma y now changes to P x minus h y minus k, because P x comma y we have taken as P capital X capital Y. Here also we have mentioned capital X capital Y, and capital X is equal to x minus h and capital Y is y minus k. So P x comma y now changes to P x minus h and y minus k. With respect to new pair of axes. Okay. Second thing, the curve whose equation for this part, suppose we are having here a curve. Okay, now the curve whose equation was fx comma y is equal to 0 has now I was just supposed to write it has changed to, okay, or we can write it has now the new equation f, it was fx plus h comma y plus k is equal to 0. Now basically these two are the transformation. Okay, this is the transformation.